This is Buttermilk Falls. New Jersey has two falls called Buttermilk Falls. This is the bigger one. The road coming up here is a little treacherous. Pretty amazing, huh? Pretty spectacular. Hubby's naughty. He went across the water to play. Hey, hey, hey! She's eating something. Don't be eating stuff over there. She's like, look what I did, Daddy. Throw it over. Can Daddy do it? Yay! Like, Daddy did it.
She jumped back like, you want to play?
So there's a little lookout spot. It's cool. Look at that little itty bit right there. Wow. Look what the children are doing again. Look at this. This is at the top of the falls. Look at this beautiful little pond, pool. I guess you call it a pool. Oh, get her to stand up. Okay, you all know I'm scared of heights. And I'm going to go out to the edge of this. And even though I'm on a really big, safe platform that a million people have stood on, I am petrified. Even with this railing in front of me. Oh my gosh. And that is looking down the falls. Very scary. Did she find a stick she feels like she needs to keep?
Bring it with you. Come on, take it with you.
She found something she feels like she needs to keep.
Yeah, but it's portable.
It is portable.
Come with. Come on.
So there's the platform I was on. Here's the stream. My doggy being naughty. I'm going upstream some more.
What are you doing?
Cookie's being naughty. I'm making Daddy walk her today. Pretty, pretty area. I guess we'll go up a little bit. What's up there? So the trail to get up here, when you get to the top of the Buttermilk Falls, the trail to come up to the top of the mountain is really steep and slippery and eroded and crazy and scary. And I didn't have my trekking poles because I didn't think we were going to be doing this, but Barry found me a good walking stick and that helped. Sorry, the Hubby. It's beautiful up here. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. Not a lot of people come all the way up. Wish we could go camping here. It's just absolutely lovely up here. And we're just going to hang out and then we're going to head back down. Going down is going to be terrifying for me. Terrifying because I'm scared of heights and I have to look down the mountain. So that's going to be scary. It's very steep. It's very slippery. It's got a lot of clay and little rolling rocks. So I'm not going to video that because I need my hands to hold the ground and the trees and my walking stick, you know, and to keep my heart from jumping out of my mouth. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. When we get to the bottom, maybe I'll do a couple more shots of the waterfall. And have a good day. Thanks for watching and be blessed. There's something moving over there. Maybe it's Bigfoot. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's go see. Well, the hike coming down was as bad as I thought it was going to be. The walking stick really helped. I think more psychologically than anything else because it kind of gave me confidence. But I did use it, you know. Kind of more to test footing than anything else. I didn't put my full weight on it because I wasn't sure I could trust it. But and going down the steps I thought was going to be like terrifying for me, and it was actually pretty easy. The first like 5-6 steps I was like, oh my god, I'm afraid. But then after that I was like, yeah, I got this. I'm gonna hike the Appalachian Trail. I can do this. So it was pretty good. It was a nice hike. We only did like a mile, but a little tired. Cookie's not, but pretty waterfall. It's if you don't mind all the people being here, it's a nice hike to come to. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be blessed and go play with your dog.